Oh boy, look at this beauty. This is a beautiful truck. Look at this thing. This is an original RC10T with an old school Andys painted body. So this body is probably at least 25 years old. This is not one of the ones he's doing now. This is one of the originals. It has a couple little breaks in the back of the body, but that's normal for the age of this body. But it is still a beautiful truck and body. Look at this thing. Box art painted. Beautiful truck. Love the paint job. Love this paint job. What a nice truck. Beautiful truck. Original tires. Everything on this truck is original. Really clean. There's the AE right on the back tailgate. Very nice. Very nice. Alrighty. I guess we can pop this body off of this one. Okay, so even though this is an original, all original truck and chassis, at one time somebody did do a little bit of mill work to the chassis, which I don't think it affects it that much. And if you look at that battery, if you look at where that battery sits, this is what they called one of the early versions, where the battery cup is offset in the chassis. So this is an early version of the RC10T. Too bad it was milled, because it's an early chassis. But yeah, they called it an offset chassis, or offset battery location, or something like that. But yeah, this is the earlier 10T version. Really nice truck though. It's a really nice, clean, untouched, well, except for the chassis, truck. Really nice. The only thing I did is, I'll show you in a minute. Got a Rady motor inside there. I don't know if those are factory, but this one has MIP rear axles. I know they weren't factory. There's no way there was factory back in the day. So maybe those have been changed. Nice shocks. Clean shocks. Really nice truck. Yeah, this is nice. So, the one thing I did on this one is, if you look at these body posts, they're 3D printed, and they're a little bit longer than the factory. And I bought these from Shapeways, which is slowly making its comeback. It's a 3D printing company. And the only reason I bought these is because this body already had body holes in it. And luckily for me, these body posts lined perfectly up with those holes. So I didn't have to drill more holes in this chassis. In the body, I mean, I'm sorry. So there you go, guys. Really clean, nice, original, early version of the RC10T. Get that front bumper in there. Oh, I'm sure you guys are going to ask about the bottom. I guess I should show the bottom of this chassis. So there she is. Not too bad. For its age, it's actually pretty damn clean. You know, being what it is. Again, really nice, clean overall truck. I don't show the chassis too much on the bottoms, but in some cases, like this, I don't mind showing because it just shows how nice and clean these original trucks are, or cars, or whatever. So let's see if we can get this body mounted, this beautiful Andys painted body. And those body posts fit perfectly in the back. Man, they just fit perfect. And there she is. So here's a nice example for you guys. I know there's a lot out there, but a little dusty. But this is a nice one. Nice clean truck. Alright guys. I hope you liked this video. I'll do a little shot here. And we will be back yet again with another video soon enough. Alright guys, stay tuned. Take it easy.